All right, today we're unpacking a key piece of industrial automation, the sensor cable. And here it is, the M12 connector cable from SICK. Looks simple enough, right? But what makes a simple cable so critical in a huge system? Let's find out. Okay, let's start with how it's built, from the outside in. First up, you've got the connector body. It's made of a tough, flexible material called TPU. And that's huge, because it resists all the common oils and grease on a factory floor. Now check out that locking nut. It's nickel-plated and absolutely key for a secure connection. Being die-cast zinc, it won't shake loose, even with all that heavy machine vibration. And the whole thing is wrapped in a gray PVC jacket, protecting those internal wires. So that's the build, but how does it perform under pressure? Let's check the specs. This thing is rated IP67. That means it's totally dust-tight and waterproof. Pretty cool. In temperature, it's fine from a freezing -30 all the way up to 80 degrees Celsius. Electrically, it's a beast. It can handle a 2.5 kilovolt surge, no problem. The bending radius is also key. More than 10 times its diameter for flexible use, 5 for stationary. All right, let's talk about certifications. This is what proves it's ready for the job. You can see it's got all the heavy hitters. EU, UK, China ROHS, CULS, it's covered. So yeah, it's designed for pretty much anywhere. Clean zones, chemical zones, you name it. It really fits right into SICK's whole philosophy of sensor intelligence. It's all connected. And of course, SICK gives you the tools you need for a perfect installation every time. Because at the end of the day, a reliable connection is what makes a reliable system. So you gotta ask yourself, is this the missing link your next project needs?